Okay, let's continue with our MCQ for Chemistry Lesson Roman numeral number 9, Safe Handling, Storage, and Disposal of Chemicals. MCQ number 1. Which of the following is the most appropriate PPA when handling concentrated acids? Letter A. Safety goggles and sandals. B. Gloves, goggles, and lab coat. C. T-shirt and shorts. D. Gloves only. MCQ number 2. When transferring a chemical from a stock bottle to a reaction container, you should A. Pour quickly to save time. B. Work in a fume hood and pour slowly. Letter C. Smell the chemical to identify it. D. Wear no PPE to feel the substance. MCQ number 3. Which of the following chemicals should never be stored together? A. Ethanol and hexane. B. Nitric acid and sodium hydroxide. C. Sodium chloride and sugar. D. Distilled water and glycerol. MCQ number 4. An unlabeled chemical container should be A. Used immediately to avoid waste. B. Stored with other chemicals. C. Identified before use and properly labeled. D. Mixed with another chemical to test its properties. Practice problem number 5. When disposing of an organic solvent, it should be A. Pour down the sink. B. Mix with acid waste. C. Collected in a labeled organic waste container. D. Left in the open for evaporation. MCQ number 6. If sulfuric acid spills on a bench, the first action is to A. Wipe it with your hands. B. Evaporate it using a heater. C. Wear PPE, contain the spill, and clean up. Letter D. Ignore it. It will dry on its own. MCQ number 7. Why is it dangerous to store ammonia and bleach together? A. They produce harmless water. B. They may produce toxic chloramine gas. C. They react to form a safe solution. D. They do not react. MCQ number 8. A highly toxic and volatile chemical should be A. Handled in open air to ventilate. B. Used in large quantities for efficiency. C. Stored and handled in a fume hood with proper PPE. Letter D. Stored next to flammable liquids. MCQ number 9. A co-worker leaves an unlabeled reactive chemical. What should you do first? A. Use it carefully. B. Isolate it and notify a supervisor. C. Pour it into the sink. D. Mix it with water to neutralize. MCQ number 10, which is not a reason to wear gloves when handling chemicals. A. Prevent burns. B. Avoid contamination. C. Improve grip on containers. D. Make hands feel cold. MCQ number 11. To prevent spills when transferring liquid chemicals, you should A. Use funnels or pipettes. B. Shake the container vigorously. C. Pour from high above. D. Hold the bottle with one hand only. MCQ number 12. Flammable solvents such as ethanol and acetone should be stored A in a flammable storage cabinet away from heat, B on the windowsill, C next to oxidizers, D open trays. MCQ number 13. Oxidizer should be stored A. Near organic solvents, B. In a cool separate cabinet away from flammables, C. With acids, D. On the floor near the exit. MCQ number 14. Expired chemicals should be A. Used to finish experiments. B. Properly disposed of according to guidelines. C. Left in storage. D. Mixed with other chemicals. MCQ number 15. When weighing powdered chemicals, best practices include A. Wearing gloves, goggles, and masks. B. Using hands directly to scoop. Letter C. Spreading the powder on the bench for convenience. D. Ignoring dust generation. MCQ number 16. Proper labeling of a chemical container should include A. Chemical name, hazard symbols, and date. B. Only the chemical name. C. Only the date received. D. The color of the liquid. MCQ number 17. Acid and basic wastes should be A. Mixed together in one container, B. Segregated to prevent hazardous reactions, C. Poured down the same grain, D. Stored openly in a bench. MCQ number 18. When transporting hazardous chemicals across the lab, you should A. Use secondary containment or carriers. B. Carry large bottles quickly in one hand. C. Walk backwards for fun. D. Leave containers open. MCQ number 19. Emergency equipment in a chemical lab includes all except A. Eye wash stations, B. Safety showers, C. Fire extinguisher, D. Microwave oven. MCQ number 20. A routine chemical storage inspection should check A. Proper labeling, B. Compatibility of stored chemicals, C. Expired chemicals, D. All of the above. The answer key for chemistry lesson Roman numeral number 9, safe handling, storage, and disposal of chemicals is as follows. For problem ay for numbers 1 to 5. Okay, so let's proceed to numbers 6 to 10. 11 to 15. And then 16 to 20. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. See you in our next lesson. Bye bye.